starting up.
Today is
Today is Thursday,
Debate tonight.
November 11th. Debate is on tonight.
And
Yep.
we just saw Monica in San
So-
Diego. We're in San Diego. Oh, wow. Oh, so cute.
Here's the second pose. Up.
Don't pee on me, please.
And then we got the third, which is this one. Up. Right here. And then this one, look that way in the sky. And then kiss. You can kiss them for real. Fuck. Kiss. Good job. And I'll do a little demonstration since you're taking video. I'm the Birdman from Seaport Village. You want to bring the camera up? Okay. This is beautiful. She's a sun conure. We're gonna go right here on the shoulder. Now look at your shoulder here, and don't listen to nothing I say. Walk slow. Now jump. Now put your arm down. Now watch. Jump slow. Now hop. Now fly. Now fly back. Now lay down slow.
So cute.
Then pick up your foot. Good job.
Very good.
Up.
Hello. Okay. Going to sign off.
Goodbye. See you now. Goodbye.